Hello guys, so now I want to show you my new KNIPEX plier. This is their plier wrench or wrench pliers as you want. Here are the part numbers and all the stuff. Of course, this came to me directly from Germany. Very lovely KNIPEX tool here. The part number is shown also on the bottom of the package. Now let's remove the plier from the package and see how it looks and how it feels in the real world. Guys, this is not my first. By the way, these are the soft jaws I ordered for this guy. Guys, this is not my first KNIPEX pliers wrench. I have a 180 version in my garage, but this is a 250 version, bigger one. I mean millimeters, and that's why I got it. And I want to point out that the soft jaws are only available for 250 millimeter version of this pliers. Otherwise, the smaller ones are not equipped with this type of jaws. These are plastic jaws. In package we have 3 pairs. Bottom jaw is different from the top. That's why the shape of the jaws are not exactly the same. We have 3 pair, and it allows us to work with gentle applications, sensitive applications, very careful and not damage the bolts. I am not the guy who owns one plier, water pump plier, channel locks, and use that on every application. I hate to damage the bolts, scratch them. Does not matter, I see them or I don't see them after installment. Every application has its tool, guys, and it is worth for me to invest money in correct tool. When it comes to the money, this plier costs more than 50 euros, and the jaws cost about 10 euros. These are the pure prices from the market, not included delivery and the other stuff. And here you can see how it works. Let's grab my 180 millimeter version, little guy. I like it very much. I have used it a lot, and this is universal plier, guys. You never will know in what and for what application you may need this. So bottom is smaller one. So top is smaller one, bottom is the bigger brother of it. Here you can see the details about the plier. What can I say? I cannot be original here. I have to say that the quality is top, the engineering is top, the finish is top, and everything when it comes to this type of plier is top when this plier is made by KNIPEX or KNIPEX. Here you can see that the bigger one is the bulkier, more bulky compared to the smaller one, and it's supposed to be for the heavy duty applications. The leverage you can apply here is huge, guys, and I like this push button, how you can adjust the jaws. It is a bit rough due to the new, because it's brand new, still oiled from the factory. And here you can see how it moves. It works like a very strong quality watch, guys, Swiss made watch, but it is not watch and it is not made in Swiss. It is made in Germany, and it is top tool here when it comes to the pliers. KNIPEX or KNIPEX is my first choice. I want to mention that the jaw is labeled here. Every time you adjust it, you will know what size you use, inches and the millimeters or centimeters, millimeters especially. The adjustment is very smooth here. in the process of working it will become even smoother. I am sure in about it. And now let's put the jaws to the plier. I must be considered here how to install them. Here is the top jaw, and no, David, no. Yes, here is the bottom jaw, and here we have the red jaws. To be serious, these jaws are made from plastic, hard plastic, and when you grab the bolt with them, be sure that the bolt will not be damaged even if you apply very huge leverage. This application and this plier allows you to do that operation without any effort. Now let's grab the bolt. Here we have this is a regular bolt, but imagine that this is bolt made from titanium, and you don't want to scratch it, my friends. Even if you work with this type of plier without the soft jaws, you may damage a little bit, but damage the bolt, scratch it. I am talking nothing about the KNIPEX regular classic Cobra pliers. Throw it when it comes to the tightening and removing the bolts, because this Cobra will destroy any bolt and scratch the head. For that application, use only the pliers wrench with soft jaws. It allows you to be very gentle, careful, and install or remove the bolt or nut without any markings. Guys, this is the game I was looking for here, and finally I have achieved the result which I like a lot here. So now I will demonstrate. Even when I am not using a big leverage, the Cobra pliers are tended and supposed to damage and scratch the bolt. Here a few shakes and the bolt is scratched, guys. Nothing will undo this result. And of course you may say this bolt is installed on the suspension and I am not see it, or this is not noticeable. Guys, if you work, I think you must work with the right and correct tool. This is my choice. You may have your opinion. So once again, plier operates very smooth. It looks very solid. It is built to last very long time. I like it very much. If you have any questions, ask below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.